the final sunrise on day 5 of the liveaboard around the Komodo Islands National Park. The morning dive was an interesting feature, almost a cave with a massive overhang. The view looking up doesn't record well, but it's neat to see so many schools of fish against the light overhead. Back on the boat to dry out before our final dive. Speaking of boat, let's take a look around. Up top is the captain's lair with great visibility all around. Below the awning is the main relaxation area. You can think of this as the living room of the boat. Walking along the starboard side, we come to the dining room. We had plenty of seating for 7 divers. There's a water and coffee station, stairs down to the sleeping quarters, as well as a fridge to keep the beer cold. Continuing along the starboard side, we can see the kitchen. I have no idea how the chef made as much food as he did for 15 people 3 times a day. At the stern, we have all the scuba gear and the tank refill station. Off the port stern side, our speedboat waits for our next adventure. And finally, 2 stalls for bathroom and showering. Here's an example of dive planning, which we do for every dive. I'm slowing this down and zooming in because you'd never see it otherwise. I barely saw it and I was there with a dive instructor pointing it out. This is the most deadly fish in the oceans, the stonefish. Its fins have venomous neurotoxins and cardiovascular toxins, so it's like bees and spiders and snakes and jellyfish are all biting and stinging you at once. Luckily, these guys are fine to just sit there, but don't step on one. This nudie branch is called a nudie panda, for obvious reasons. I was glad to be having my final moments in the water amongst so many schools of fish. One final, incredible safety stop. And with that, I survived a 5-day liveaboard in Komodo National Park. Here's a list of each dive site we visited. Number 6 was particularly brutal, referred to as shotgun, and for good reason. ND indicates a night dive. Three Sisters was also tricky, where we were stuck in a washing machine current for a few minutes. You can see that in the Day 4 video. Sailing into Labuan Bajo, and I can't wait to sail out again.